In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an admin team member from Hotjar. Before we jump in, make sure you're already logged into your Hotjar account and that you have the right permissions to manage team members. Typically, you'll need to be an account owner or have admin rights yourself, otherwise you won't see the options we're about to use. Let's start from the main Hotjar dashboard. This is the page you usually land on after logging in, where you can see an overview of your site's data, recordings, and other tools. If you're managing multiple sites or organizations, double check that you're on the correct project where that admin team member has access. This avoids accidentally changing the wrong workspace. Now look towards the top right corner of your dashboard. You should see an invite icon near your profile image or initials. This icon is normally used to invite new people to your team, but it's also your way into the user management area. Go ahead and click that invite icon. That click will open up a section or page that deals with user access and settings for your account. Once that area loads, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. In this column, you'll see several options related to settings and account management. Here, you want to click on the option labeled Users. This is where Hotjar lists everyone who has access to your project, including admins, members, and sometimes pending invitations. After you click Users, you'll see a list of all team members associated with the current project. Each row will usually show the person's name, their email address, and their role, such as admin or member. Take a moment to carefully locate the admin team member you want to remove. It's important to verify that you're selecting the correct person, especially in larger teams where names can be similar. When you've found the right admin in the list, look to the right-hand side of that row. You should see a small bin or trash can icon, which represents the delete action. Click on this bin icon next to the admin team member you'd like to delete. Hotjar may prompt you to confirm this action, since removing an admin means they'll no longer have access to that project. Confirm the deletion, and once you do, that admin will be removed from your Hotjar team for this project. And that's all there is to it.